These tarpaulins were seen hanging in different parts of the National Capital Region, declaring communist rebels as persona non grata in Metro Manila. Mayor Isko Moreno immediately ordered to take down the tarps in the city of Manila. The tarps encouraged the public to report any information on the communist rebels to the PNP. DILG Secretary Eduardo Año respects Moreno's decision. Año, however, hopes other Metro Manila mayors will not remove the tarps.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.